Strap in, space explorers, because today we're venturing into the orbit of the king of the planets, Jupiter. It's big, bold, and full of mysteries that baffle scientists and stoke the imagination. We're diving into 10 of the weirdest, most mind-blowing facts about this massive gas giant. Ready to uncover the secrets of Jupiter? Let's go! Fact number 1. Jupiter's orbit isn't what you think. Let's start with a head-scratcher. We usually think of planets as orbiting the sun, but Jupiter's got its own gravitational swagger. It's so big, so heavy, that it doesn't exactly orbit the sun, at least not in the way Earth does. Instead, Jupiter and the sun orbit around a shared center of mass, a point in space that's just outside the surface of the sun. Jupiter's mass is so significant that it actually pulls the sun a tiny bit out of position as it moves along its orbit. Think of it like this: if the solar system were a dance, Jupiter would be leading. It's a small detail with a big impact, and it's one of the reasons Jupiter holds such a powerful place in our cosmic neighborhood. Fact number 2. The Great Red Spot, a storm that never ends. Jupiter's most iconic feature is its Great Red Spot, a massive swirling storm that could swallow 2 or 3 Earths without even blinking. But here's the mystery: this storm has been raging for at least 350 years. We first spotted it in the 1600s, and it's been churning away ever since. How is that even possible? Earth's hurricanes last days, maybe weeks at most. But on Jupiter, this is a superstorm of unimaginable size and energy, constantly fed by the planet's chaotic atmosphere. And it's shrinking over time and becoming more circular than the oblong shape it once had. Will it ever stop? Or is this a storm that'll outlive us all? Only Jupiter knows. Fact number 3. The diamond rain of Jupiter. Imagine a world where the skies rain diamonds. Well, that's what we might find on Jupiter. Scientists believe that under the intense pressure deep within Jupiter's atmosphere, carbon atoms could crystallize to form diamonds. Picture it: storms rolling across the gas giant, with lightning and thunder lighting up the sky, and in the middle of this dramatic display, sparkling shards of diamonds raining down. These diamonds might eventually sink even deeper into the planet, melting into a sea of liquid carbon in Jupiter's mysterious, murky depths. The next time you see a diamond ring, remember it's got nothing on Jupiter's luxurious storms. Fact number 4. Jupiter's moon family. Could there be life? Jupiter has moons, a lot of moons. We're talking a whopping 95 and counting. But one of the most intriguing is Europa. This icy moon may look quiet and frozen on the surface, but scientists suspect it hides a liquid ocean beneath its icy shell. And where there's liquid water, there's the potential for life. Europa's ocean might be heated by geothermal activity similar to the hydrothermal vents on Earth's ocean floor, which teem with strange and wonderful life forms. NASA is already planning missions to investigate Europa up close. Could alien life be lurking beneath the ice, waiting for us to say hello? Fact number 5. The magnetic monster. Jupiter isn't just big, it's powerful. The planet has the most intense magnetic field in the solar system, creating enormous radiation belts that extend thousands of miles into space. If you tried to get close, this radiation would be enough to fry most spacecraft and vaporize any would-be explorers. Jupiter's magnetic field is so massive that if we could see it, it would appear larger than the full moon in our night sky. This magnetic monster isn't just a danger zone. It also traps and accelerates charged particles, creating a massive and ever-changing aurora near Jupiter's poles that's thousands of times brighter than Earth's northern lights. Fact number 6. Sounds of Jupiter. What does Jupiter sound like? Ever imagine what space might whisper or scream? Well, NASA has recorded eerie radio waves from Jupiter, capturing sounds unlike anything we've heard on Earth. The recordings play like the soundtrack of a sci-fi horror film, with strange whooshes and crackling static that echo across space. Jupiter's powerful magnetic field interacts with solar wind to produce these eerie sounds, making it seem as though the planet itself is warning us to keep our distance. So if you ever find yourself near Jupiter, just be prepared for a truly spooky space soundtrack. Fact number 7. The speed demon of the solar system. For a planet of its size, Jupiter moves fast. It spins so quickly on its axis that a single day on Jupiter lasts only about 10 hours. That rapid spin squishes the planet, making it bulge around the middle. The centrifugal force from this intense rotation causes Jupiter to be wider at the equator than at the poles, giving it a slightly squashed, oblate shape. The fast rotation also churns up the atmosphere into bands of clouds that zoom around the planet at breakneck speeds, creating those striking stripes we see from Earth. So, not only is Jupiter huge, it's a giant on the move. Fact number 8. Stormy skies forever. Jupiter's clouds may look calm and peaceful from afar, but beneath that serene appearance lies a world of chaos. The planet's atmosphere is filled with turbulent storms and fierce winds that can reach speeds of up to 400 miles per hour. These winds don't just whip around horizontally, they also move vertically, creating massive updrafts that churn the clouds into fantastic shapes. And as you dive deeper into the clouds, the pressure becomes so extreme that scientists believe the gases start to transform into something strange, a sea of liquid hydrogen. Possibly even metallic hydrogen, which scientists believe acts like an enormous electrical conductor. Jupiter's atmosphere is a wild, untamed place that defies anything we know here on Earth. Fact number 9. Jupiter, the almost star. Jupiter isn't just a planet, it's a failed star. When it was forming, it started gathering massive amounts of hydrogen and helium just like a star. But it didn't gather quite enough material to ignite nuclear fusion, the process that makes stars burn. If Jupiter had been about 80 times more massive, it could have become a small star, lighting up our sky alongside the sun. Imagine what our nights would look like if we had 2 stars in the sky instead of 1. Jupiter may not have become a star, but it came incredibly close, giving us a glimpse of what might have been. Fact number 10. The mystery of Jupiter's core. And here it is, the biggest mystery of them all. What lies at the heart of Jupiter? We've sent probes to study it, we've peered at it with telescopes, and yet nobody really knows what Jupiter's core is made of. Scientists suspect there might be a dense, rocky core buried deep within its swirling layers, or perhaps a supercompressed mass of metallic hydrogen. But here's the kicker: recent measurements show that Jupiter's core might be more of a fuzzy, spread-out region rather than a solid center. Did it once have a solid core that was disrupted by impacts or internal forces? Or is it simply a hazy and defined mass of strange materials that defies our understanding? The truth remains hidden deep within Jupiter's colossal layers, waiting for the day when our technology is powerful enough to unlock its secrets. Jupiter is more than just a planet. It's a marvel, a mystery, and a reminder of how little we still understand about our universe. Every time we look at it, it seems to be whispering secrets, daring us to come closer, to explore, to understand. And who knows? Maybe one day we'll uncover all of its mysteries. Or maybe Jupiter will always keep a few secrets to itself. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us next time for more cosmic journeys. Which fact blew your mind the most? Let us know in the comments below, and stay tuned for more mysteries from the vast reaches of space.